Good morning, everyone. Um, so, this is basically a different time that we all are facing. So, I want to teach you about deconstruction today, deconstructive fashion. I know it's not part of the syllabus or anything, but this is something, it's about styling your garments in a different way. Since you will all be going to become a fashion designer or designer, whatever. So you should have, this one is a very important aspect of designing. It's like you need to know the rules to break the rules. Once you know the rules, it's also important to learn to break the rules. Now you have all understood what is, basic construction, basic pattern making, basic things. So basically, deconstruction is deconstruction from the original form of garments. It's basically unfinished, coming apart, broken. It's recycled or transparent or anything like that. So let's talk about, I'll just give you an example. See here, I show you. This one I have is a pajama. Okay, these are the low crotch pajama. Just guess any idea you can deconstruct this pajama. So now what we do is I rotate it upside down. Okay, now here I make a neck. Okay, can you see there's a neck? If you can just see. Okay, so and these are converted to sleeves, and the belt part of the pajama comes on the bottom. So this is, for me, this is a deconstruction. Okay, now I give you another idea. Let's come to this. Now, since you all say that we don't have enough material available with us, so what we do, like if you can see, this is a garment we have. Can you see? So since, like all of you, even I don't have needles or threads or something. Now I had this fabric, polyester fabric. Now I wanted to make a garment out of it. Since we are all at home, we keep constructing something different. So basically what I did is polyester or nylon. It's a blend of polyester and nylon. Now what we did is, since you all know that polyester has a property of polyester and nylon together has a property of molding itself with fire. So what I did is, here there is no stitching involved, no threads involved. This entire thing is constructed with the soldering iron. You heat, or maybe even if you have a some small thin pin of a needle or a needle, you just heat it, melt it on the iron on the fire, and just keep on poking. So you get these kind of effects. See, everything here, if you see, is done by soldering iron. So basically, just given a shape to this square piece and deconstructed the neck piece. I had some necklaces at home which I inserted in the fabric, twisted it, burnt it a bit, molded it a bit, and created this neck shape. There's no thread and needle attached to this. So likewise, I would like all of you to deconstruct a garment. You can take anything from your wardrobe, anything from your house, create pajama to top, top to pajama, whatever you want, do that, and wear it on yourself, click a picture and send it to me. Thank you, all of you. Goodbye.